Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to A Leaf to Live. In this vlog series, I take you along with me on my 2-month solo backpacking trip around Southeast Asia.
Now you! So we are in the coconut doing a tour. So fancy.
Cycled to Coconut Village near Hoi An. In the water, a sea of bowl-shaped boats gathered around an acrobat showing his tricks. They consisted of him balancing on his own boat while turning frantically with it, to the point where I questioned the laws of physics acting upon them. Music blasted from large speakers, attracting the crowds who sang along to what must have been well-known Vietnamese tunes. Let's just say it was a very confusing but interesting experience.
So touristy, it's like, everybody's with a camera. Oh my god. Maybe I should hide my phone actually. We're in first row. Cool.
Very good morning from Hoi An. I'm getting all my things ready to check out. I just got my laundry done as well, so it's amazing. I showed you the room yesterday, which is super nice. There we go. And here we have a really nice bathroom. Yeah, look at that. So nice. Very cool. I'm gonna say goodbye to this old ugly bag. And it might seem like nonsense, but I've had this since I was probably like 8 years old. 14 years, oh my god. Yeah, I haven't used it since. Like, I just had it stored away in a cupboard, and I retrieved it for a trip last year, and then I just kind of used it. But it's wearing thin, like on the side. Look at that, it's breaking. So I bought this new backpack in Vietnam, and I was just carrying the other one around for no reason. Just kind of thought that I had to say goodbye properly or some bullshit like that. So finally buy my time for this little bag. I'm just gonna, I might just leave it there. Just kind of laying there, defenseless. Yeah. Bye. Some randomness video. I'm gonna show you the view from the window. We have this little house at the front. Yeah, it's a really nice room, really nice hostel. Oh my shit, oh my god, look at that. Yeah, and then someone new checked in last night, and then that was Lotta's bed, but she left, so I'm gonna meet her later today, so maybe in an hour or so at the Japanese bridge. I just need to get all my stuff together, get a ticket, a night ticket. Oh my god, I don't want to go. Don't want to go back, but I need to go back to Hanoi because then I'm going to Thailand. Whew, it's almost the end of my trip, but there's still miles to go. It's gonna be good. Okay. How cute is this little patio? Look at that. Really cool. And this. So visiting this temple, so pretty. Lotta did come in with me because she already saw it earlier this morning when I was packing. But we did move together to this old house and there's a really nice show. With like typical dances and stuff, so it's interesting. Now we might go for lunch, and then I still have 2 tickets left, so I might see some other 2 things, but we'll see. Hello from Hoi An. I'm in this little culture center. I can't remember the name, but yeah, I don't have much longer in Hoi An, maybe just under an hour. I'm just visiting this little place. It's really interesting. I think I might, okay, so thoughts and feelings, right? I feel like I am really tired of the whole trip in Vietnam because that's been non-stop. And so I can't help but feel, I think I'm like a bit worn out of the trip. And so I'm not really enjoying Hoi An. I'm glad I'm leaving today. So I'm leaving at 1 p.m. Just getting the night bus, which takes brutal 18 hours, but what can I do? Yeah, and the thing is, I'm not really enjoying Hoi An, also because I'm really tired, but also it's just so touristy. It's just not my kind of place. Like, all the things that are done here is just super targeted for like the picture, you know what I mean? And I mean, I love a good picture, but at the same time it just feels really fake and I don't really feel like it's my vibe. But this, I mean, this looks really interesting. Little vases and things, like archaeological discoveries, but just so tired, honestly. So yeah, kind of glad to be going to Hanoi tonight, and then I think I'm just gonna be chilling. I mean, I hope to be chilling a bit more, lighting, when I am in Thailand, because this has been exhausting. Really fun, but absolutely exhausting. Okay, so we are now at the Hoi An Museum, and it seems really interesting, but as I said earlier, I am so tired. I can't even, like, I just arrived and I sat down and I was like, I need to take a breather because I'm so exhausted, and it's really, as you can see. But I have less than half an hour to get my bus, so just kind of looking around. And it's pretty interesting. But yeah, the view from here is nice. Oh, there's a little nice patio.